Hello guys. How to use flame or how to flame people in therapies. As you can see, you can flame the people with the normal fling, right? You can touch the people because they are enabled the no cliff or the uh touchable player. Okay, so let's do that. So the first is you're gonna do use a office chair. As you can see, there's an office chair. You're gonna buy this it's 70 memorable, bro. It's less expensive or it's priceless, right? And then you're gonna see this script, and you're gonna type the username, the one you want playing. So it works on short username or display name. So you're gonna do is hide or something, so no one can see that the what who's the people playing. Let's Jamal, yeah, like Jamal. Let's give an example for Jamal. Everyone appreciate Jamal, the flyer. We so bro, what the hell? Jamal's flying right now. So what is your reaction though? What is his reaction? Let's go. What's your reaction? Jamal got ping, bro. Yo, it's Jamal, bro. Jamal. No. He said no. Alright. I'm so sorry, Jamal. You are the demonstration of this video. So, yo, what the hell? That, okay. So, as you can see, there's a guy who love, you know, oh, oh, target is settings. As you can see, there's another target settings though. So, one. Let's go to one. One, the player. Click that chair and fling. So you're not die. You alright? You're not die. You're not die, bro. You not die. You're fine. So alright. So this is the video on the end. So I hope this video is it works on any executor mobile like CSX, Kernel, Delta, Fluxus, Evon, Synapse, Synapse changes for any. Alright, any. So hopefully this video is help, right? So you can troll or you can destroy the toxic player in this script. Don't use this script for nothing. Use this script for right way, alright? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. I hope someone's like this video. Not subscribe, not subscribe. Don't subscribe me. I want to share this script to less toxic players. Alright, so everyone can cheat. Yeah, everyone can cheat, guys. Use this script. Remember, use this script properly. Alright, use script this right way. So alright, guys, thank you. And I'm Filipino. This is your teacher. This is your player. Alright. Thank you guys. Thank you. And bye-bye. Mabuhay. Temet pagi. Sarang ngayon. Ah, okay, bye-bye.